everybody! Today I'm making a cute weekend brunch for just yourself or for you and your friends. I've got some puff pastry and a pizza cutter, and I cut all these little slits. I'm removing this top part, those you can toss, and then these two bottom ones. You can toss these as well. Then I've got this seriously strawberry cream cheese. Use any kind of flavored cream cheese or just regular plain if you want. Just get some out of the tub. Just spread it into the middle. You can add as much or as little as you want. You know how McDonald's has those like strawberry and cream pies? This is gonna taste kind of like that, but even better. Okay. Once you've got the flavored cream cheese spread out evenly, I got this like mixed fruit. You can use whatever fruit you want. I'm gonna put some strawberries on here. Got some blueberries. I like getting these like mixed berry sets for desserts like this because you can add a little bit of everything. Got some blackberries, so I'm gonna add those too. Just in between all the strawberries. And I'm also gonna add just a couple of raspberries as well. Look, that looks amazing already. You can add some slivered almonds. Just kind of sprinkle that right on top of everything. And then we're gonna close this up. And then look, it's like this blue egg from the local farm. So cute. Go ahead and crack that open. I don't know, can you crack an egg with just one hand? Let me know if you can in the comments. I'm gonna go ahead and mix that up. And then just brush that on to the top of the puff pastry. And then this is gonna go into the oven at 400 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. And I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. Wow, look at how golden it got. Okay, so I've got some powdered sugar and a tea strainer. Just get a spoonful. You don't need too much. Just like that. Put it into your tea strainer. And then just tap. Oh, look, it looks so professional. Looks like you just got this at a bakery. Okay, I'm gonna lift this off. On our serving tray. Wow. Seriously, bakery quality, right? Okay, let me go ahead and cut this into little strips so you can serve it to your friends. I am going to take this bottom one. Hot, but it's so good. You should make this. Your friends will love you.